Well, Katie Kimball from the Kids Cook Real Food e-course is here to share some great new ideas. No sandwiches in sight. I don't see a peanut butter and jelly sandwich anywhere here.
No. So my goal is to show parents how easy lunch packing can be. You don't have to make special recipes, although we did bring a recipe to show. We're going to make some grain-free crepes today. Leah's mixing up some batter. What do you got here?
I have 1/8 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons coconut flour, and 6 eggs.
Yeah, so it's mostly egg. These are high protein, low starch, because we don't need to be zooping the kids' blood sugar up for the afternoon so that they crash right when they need to learn. And, even if you just run out of bread one morning and you're like, oh, I don't have anything to put my sandwich toppings in, you can whip these up super quickly. John's actually demonstrating how we use them for an afternoon snack as well, with a little kind of a pizza thing. So sauce, cheese, salami, stuff like that. So we would just put that in the toaster oven for a few minutes.
Is it one of those things that kind of takes on the taste of whatever you put on it, kind of a thing?
Yes.
It's more there to hold everything together.
Exactly.
Right.
It's a delivery vehicle for the good insides. And so we did bring a bunch of different lunches here. And we've put in egg salad, we put in lunch meat and cheese, we've got like some leftover chicken somewhere over there. And so it's just all about thinking about what's going to nourish your kids' bodies and how can you fill the squares, is what I always say. I love these containers because they set out, it's like a game plan, right? If I can think of a couple different things to go in those squares and balance it out, the kids can pack them themselves as young as kindergarten.
And you said that some of these boxes and the little containers and stuff you've had since he was a little smaller.
Yes, Paul is in middle school, and we've had these since he was in kindergarten, so they're super durable. They may seem like a big investment up front, but they're not going to be breaking and having to replace them every back to school time.
And these recipes are great, but what I love about it is, of course, your e-course that helps get kids in the kitchen.
Yes, absolutely. We always want to get kids working with food and experiencing food because that's how we help them own it, right? I don't want my kids to eat healthy for 18 years and then give up. So I want to send them off with skills and the ability to understand what real food is and how to nourish their bodies.
At what age do you think is the appropriate time to get kids in the kitchen and helping?
2.
Yeah?
18 months. As soon as they can possibly pick up a butter knife and tackle a banana, we get them in there, because actually there's research coming out from like foreign countries where kids are doing a lot of chores, and they go, why are these kids doing chores? And it's because the parents never stopped. They started when the kids wanted to help at age 2. At age 2 and 3, they're like, Mom, can I help? Can I dust? Can I come in the kitchen, right? And if you can keep that going and never break that motivation, they actually want to do chores at age 8.
No, I will. Now, Bronson has picked up on it. If I have a vacuum, he has a play vacuum, and he does help me vacuum that way. Maybe we can keep that going. The kitchen thing gets slightly terrifying to me at his age right now, but I can see where you'd make it work. You would make it work.
It's a lot about getting over yourself, which is difficult.
Good advice. Good advice there. And you probably learned too, you start introducing some of this stuff early on, the heirloom tomatoes, the hummus in our house is big, the avocados. I didn't know what hummus and avocados was until I was probably in college.
Yeah, I really see this pendulum swinging back toward healthy food for kids, and it's so exciting, right? Let's do the fruits and let's do the vegetables. Look at these beautiful tomatoes from the farmer's market, these cute little plums. Like, these are no harder to pack than convenience food.
These are right here?
Yeah, those are plums, aren't they, darling?
Those are so cute.
So convenience food is packaged by nature. It really is. We don't have to buy the junk with 50 ingredients just to make it simple.
Okay, so we have the food, and it's not out here, but what kind of beverage do you think is a great thing to send for kids?
Can you guess? Yes.
Water.
Just water,
yes,
water,
we're a big water fan. We're a big water family too. And if you have those, there's some people that just don't like water, which is hard for me to understand. But there are some options of maybe put a little fruit or something.
Sure.
In there,
Yeah,
right?
a little fruit in there, a little lemon water. There are ways to make water more exciting without adding the sweetener. Because man, if you're drinking your sweets, it's shooting right into your bloodstream, and that is a definite no-no for kids and adults.
How is that, Todd? What are you eating there? Yeah, exactly. I figured you were awful quiet.
He's got ham and cheese. We would normally add mustard, but that was a little sloppy.
Yeah, that's all right. If people want to learn more about getting their kids in the kitchen, and cooking along with you, how can they go about doing that?
Well, we have our full e-course at kidscookrealfood.com, and we have this recipe for the crepes to share with you at kidscookrealfood.com/crepes.
Perfect. All right, he seems to like it. So thanks so much for stopping by, you guys. Have a wonderful school year. I know you have a little time left to enjoy the summer, but soon enough, you'll be back.
Thank you. It's always a pleasure.
Yes, we'll be right back.